Greetings, amazing viewers. Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and welcome back to our video extravaganza, where we sprinkle life with laughter and infuse inspiration. Today's video is all about firing up that spark within you, so fasten your seatbelts and let's embark on this incredible journey together. If you really want to do something, you will find a way no matter what. If you don't, you will find excuses. That age-old wisdom that hits us like a ton of comedic bricks. We've all been there, right? But worry not, because today we're transforming those excuses into stepping stones to growth and greatness. Time. Oh, elusive time. We often feel like it's running away from us. But let me let you in on a little secret, okay? It's all about your perspectives. Sometimes we get lost in the I can't, I don't have time maze. But guess what? When you're passionate about a goal and something you really want, time becomes your ally. Suddenly, you find pockets full of opportunities where you never thought they existed, and the clock becomes your best friend. Now, let's dive into the fun part. Those who have the desire to succeed have plenty of time, and the ones who don't have no time theory. Imagine this concept as a whimsical roller coaster ride. When your heart craves success, you discover hidden hours in the day, stretching it like a magician with a rubber band. But when your desire is adrift, time slips away like sand through your fingers. I would like to try a little bit of an experiment. Grab a notebook or your phone and let's jot down these excuses that have been camping in our minds like pesky campers. Come on, write them all out. It's too hard. I'll start later. I'm not good enough. I need more resources. Now stand back and let's have a good laugh at their expense. Fantastic. Now, below those cheeky excuses, let's write down your wildest dreams, your passions, and the aspirations that twinkle in your eyes. Because my friend, that's where the real magic begins. When you shift your focus from I can to I will, you open doors to possibilities you never knew existed. See, life is a swirling adventure, like a sketch where you're the lead comedian. Embrace the goofs, the hiccups, and the unexpected twists and turns. That's what makes your story unique. And hey, don't be too hard on yourself. Even the greatest tales have had their share of blunders. As we conclude today's epic, remember this. We all have the same 24 hours a day. It's how we manage those hours that shape our destiny. So, let's make a pact, shall we? No more excuses, only determination. Share your commitment in the comments below, and let's form a tribe of unstoppable go-getters. And of course, don't forget to hit that like button and/or subscribe. We're all about sprinkling positivity and empowerment here. If you are ready and open to take that leap to transform your dreams into reality, then head over to freedomlifebusiness.com. There, you will find a world of resources, support, and guidance to help you build the life and business you've always envisioned. Your future awaits, and with us by your side every step of the way, there are no limits to what you can achieve. So, join our thriving community and let's make magic happen together. Always make it a great day, and remember to always go for your dreams. God bless, and bye for now.